Hello everyone, this is Korean American Scientists and Engineers Association, in short for KSCA. This is Angela Bay speaking, and I am the event coordinator of KSCA. I am a sophomore majoring in biomedical engineering, and today I am thrilled to introduce what KSCA has prepared for Science Expedition. KSCA is a nonprofit organization that was established in 1971 by the Korean government in the United States to foster STEM professionals. In America by itself, we have approximately 6,000 members, including undergraduates, graduates, professors, and etc. Including our Wisconsin chapter, there are about 70 local chapters in areas like New York, Korea, and California. The companies and universities shown in the slide are one of our many sponsors. Today, Arden and Soyan are going to present and demonstrate our experiment for the festival. This video has two experiments. Arden is going to perform her dry erase marker experiment containing materials, procedures, cautions, and the background of it. Respectively, Soyan will do the same with her lava lamp experiment. I hope you will enjoy, and I'll hand off to Arden.
Hello everyone, this is KSCA Wisconsin YZ chapter. My name is Arden and I am an undergraduate sophomore studying data science. Today I'll be in charge of an activity called Dry Erase Markers Experiment. In this activity, you will make your drawing with markers and make it move around by letting it float on water. For the experiment, you will need dry erase markers, dinner plate or baking dish that you have permission to draw on with markers, and a cup with room temperature water. First, draw any shapes, figures, or letters on your plate or a baking dish. After you're done drawing, wait for about 10 seconds for your drawings to dry. After 10 seconds, pour the water gently into the dish close to the edges of your drawings. Within seconds, you will see the dry erase ink reacting with the water and the edges of your drawings will begin to lift. As you add more water, the ink will lift away from the bottom of the dish and float to the surface of the water. Note that some of your drawings may only lift a little and some might not work at all. The results may be different every time. These may happen if you use different types of dry erase markers or your drawings are not dried yet. Also, note that if you pour the water too fast, the fluid ink of your drawings might not be intact. Now, let's see how the drawings float. Our drawings can float on the water because dry erase markers contain alcohol, color pigment, and oily silicon polymer. When you draw on your dish, the alcohol starts to evaporate. This leaves the color pigment and polymer behind on the surface of the dish. When you pour the water, the oily silicon polymer in the dry erase marker ink prevents the ink from attaching to the plate and the water can seep underneath. And because the ink is lighter than water, the drawings can float. This is all for the dry erase markers experiment. Thank you.
Hi, this is Soyan from KSCA Wisconsin YG chapter. Welcome to the Science Festival. To briefly introduce myself, I'm an undergraduate senior majoring in pharmacotics and biology. Before starting this activity, please get a permission from a responsible adult. The activity I have today is called the lava lamp experiment. This experiment is based upon the theory of density. To be more specific, we'll be using the fact that all materials have different densities, unique of their own. Let's see what density can do to create a beautiful lava lamp. First, we need a clean plastic bottle without the labels, and vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablet. First, we're going to prepare colored water by mixing the food coloring and water. Prepare about 2 cups of water. Then we're going to add about 5 to 8 drops of food coloring into water. And make sure to mix it well. And now the following step is to fill the plastic bottle up to 70%. So now we're going to fill the rest of the bottle with prepared colored water. And make sure to leave some space on the top so the liquid does not overflow. You will now observe that the water sinks to the bottom and the oil floats to the top. This is because water is more dense than the oil. Now we are going to break the Alka-Seltzer tablet into 2 to 3 pieces, and now we are going to drop them into the bottle. And make sure to cap the bottle after you place the tablets into the bottle. And now we're going to observe what happens. So now you will see that the bubbles are forming. As the tablet dissolves, the tablet makes carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is gas, which is lighter than water and oil. And that is why it floats. The air bubbles carry colored water to the top with them, and which makes a lava lamp as it is. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the Science Festival. Thank you. Bye.
After you are done with the experiments, for a dry erase marker, you can simply dispose the water to the sink. On the other hand, for lava lamp experiment, do not open the bottle but just throw away the bottle to your household waste. In dry erase marker, the theory behind it is simple. First, the erase ink will dry and react with the water. Then, this will float the drawings to be lifted. As more water is added, the ink will slowly lift from the bottom and float to the surface of the water. The theory behind lava lamp is also simple. It tries to explain density. Oil is less dense than water, therefore it will float. Air is also less dense than water and oil, therefore it will float to the top of the bottle as a colored air bubble. Thank you for participating in this experiment. KSCA hopes that we gave you a valuable lesson and time. Stay safe.